Hi, I'm Dirk Cool, and this is Beds by Design.
Beds by Design has stores in Sioux Falls and Fargo, and they manufacture their box springs and mattresses right there on site. Whether it's a bed for your home, camper, boat, or even a dog bed, Beds by Design's goal is to give you a great night's rest at an affordable price.
Beds by Design got started by a couple guys that had the idea that there was a more efficient way to run a mattress company, a company that could be run for the benefit of the consumer more than who's selling you the bed. I started about 2.5 years ago. The biggest thing was I was trying to find a company where I could believe in the product. Once Chad brought me in here and I was able to see what they do that makes them different, I bought into it right away and I've been here and happy ever since. The reason I believe in what we're doing here is because I believe that the consumer is getting a lot of bed for their money. Because we're cutting out the middleman and saving a lot of money in that aspect, I can bring in a lot more materials to benefit the customer. Really, it makes the quality of the mattress so much better, and that's what we're about here at Beds by Design. What inspires me about my work every day here at Beds by Design is that the relationship with the customer does not stop once we buy them the bed. With us, the biggest benefit to buying it factory direct is that I'm your customer service. So the same person that's buying your bed, you can call back in years to come if your preference is changing, if you're not getting sleep, and we can work with you as far as getting that adjusted and corrected. The one thing people should remember about Beds by Design is that our main goal is to give you a superior product, one that's going to be perfect for your body over that period of time, and if it's not, we can always fix it in the future, and that we want to have that relationship with you that is going to be a long period of time of making sure your bed is always the best for you to sleep on. And now let's talk to Paul and learn more about our beds.
And now we're in the factory here at Beds by Design, and this is where all the magic happens. Every bed Beds by Design sells is built back here by hand. The people that do this aren't minimum wage employees, mass manufacturing mattresses. These are people with a passion for their jobs and want to put a better quality mattress out to our customers. It's so important to find the right mattress because you spend a third of your life there. If you live to be 75, 25 years are spent in bed. Your body rests and recovers every day in bed. And if that bed's not right for you or creating circulation issues or tissue compression, we're doing more toss and turns, we're not getting a good night's sleep. A good night's sleep comes when we're stationary, we're comfortable, we're getting rested. A bad night's sleep is tossing and turning all night long, mostly due to the wrong mattress for the wrong person.
When you walk through the Beds by Design showroom, you'll discover the options are endless. Their expert staff will help you find the right mattress for your individualized needs.
As people walk around our showroom, they're going to see a lot of beds, and some may look the same, but every bed is different by the part it's built with. Everybody's different, from back problems, shoulder problems, hip problems, to different weights and sizes. We need to find the right bed for the right person. We aren't a commissioned sales staff here, so it's not about mugging our customers when they walk in the front door. We want to find things out about our customers. We need to take body weight into consideration. Are they side sleepers, back sleepers, stomach sleepers? Do they have back, shoulder, hip problems? What are the things that bother them the most? If it's a couple, is there motion transfer or heat issues? By getting to know our customers better and asking the right questions, we have a lot more success getting into a better mattress. When people come into Beds by Design, they often expect us to be more expensive. The fact of the matter is, we buy all of our materials factory direct and build the beds here. We're able to keep costs down while providing our customers with much better quality materials in the mattress. At Beds by Design, we don't want to do what everybody else is doing. We want to offer the customer value. And in my opinion, value means how long something lasts into the job it's supposed to, and not the sale ad in the newspaper for the week. Our materials are quite different than anybody else's. On the retail side, they want to use the cheapest materials possible to make the most amount of money. They're not accountable for their product afterwards. Here we use the newest technology available. By building them here on site, we have the ability to change things, to be able to take them apart and fix things. In retail beds for generations, we bought beds, they fail, we throw them away, we buy new ones, or we buy beds, we don't like them, we're stuck with them. At Beds by Design, by building them by hand, we do get a better quality product, but also the ability to fix or change things as time goes on. You're never stuck with something. Here we can change or fix anything. Everything that happens to our bodies over time affects how we sleep. And it's really important to be able to have a mattress that we can change on the fly so it's always right for that person.
Beds by Design has always focused on creating beds for the home, but they also provide mattresses for universities, hospitals, and hotels. Their goal is to help educate customers and find out what mattress will be best for them.
I've loved my job here for the last 10 years because I'm selling something that I believe in. I've slept on Beds by Design beds for over 10 years. I've also slept on many other manufacturers' beds, being in the business as long as I have. For a salesman, it's really a unique experience to sell something that you actually build and that you can stand behind. At Beds by Design, we don't sell somebody else's stuff. We sell the best materials that we can possibly use in a mattress and provide our customers a different type of service than they're used to. People should choose Beds by Design because of the people that work for the company and the product we provide. At Beds by Design, expect more from us in service, more from us in quality product, and a lot more from us at the sale. Anybody who doesn't buy Beds by Design has no options. Here, you will always have options and people that understand your issues.